Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Wijayanti and my student number is 54. And today in this video, I would like to explain the example of closing and opening the class. There are several basic skills in teaching that are very important to be a professional teacher. One of them is a skill to open and close the lessons. Nowadays, so many teachers teach in traditional pattern and ignore these basic skills. According to Soli Abimanyu, induction or opening the lessons is an activity to carry out to prepare a good atmosphere and raise a student attention to focus on the material or things that to be learned in the class. Meanwhile, the closer or closing the lesson basically is an activity which teachers do to end the core of learning activities, and the purpose of this is to determine the level of achievement of learning outcomes that students have obtained. At the same time, it's like as a feedback to the teacher. Okay, so I will practice the example of the scenario of opening and closing the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Good then. Let's pray first before we start our lesson today. Okay. Then I will check the attendance. Is there anyone that absent today? Okay, good then. So today we will learn to introduce ourselves. Okay, before that, let's open page 12 in our lesson books. And then please raise your hands. Who knows thing that we usually mention when introducing ourselves? Yes, we usually greet first, then ask like, how are you today? Then mention name, age, hobby, and address. Is there any question about our material today? No question? Okay then, do you all still remember that what we usually mention when introducing ourselves? If yes, please mention those. Perfect. And that's all for our lesson today. Next week, we will practice to introduce ourselves in front of the class. So don't forget to prepare yourself next week, okay? See you next week. That's all of the example of scenario of opening and closing the class. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.